Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my collab with Jen from Glam Moms. We are doing the 18 products in 2018. I was going to say 2,000 products that we want to finish up this year. So this is, I believe, going up in very early February. So really I'm working, some of these I've been working on, some of them I haven't really been working on, or at least not dedicated. So let's go ahead and get started. I will link Jen's channel down below in the info box or whatever, drop down, whatever you want to call it. Definitely check her out. She is really good at finishing up products. I'm good at finishing up lip products, but I just feel like nothing else. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I have 3 foundations. Now you may be saying, holy crap, 3 foundations? Because I never finished the foundations, but none of them are full. This is the one that I have been working on. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in the color beige. I have no clue where I am in this. I am at least halfway done, possibly more. Because I can kind of see like some spots where I can see through, but I use this a lot. I just watched a video, I want to say from Tati, where she hated this because it was like no coverage and who knows. It does have like a dropper like applicator, which I'm not a fan of, to be honest. You kind of push this and product comes out. However, even when it was full, I could never get a lot of product there, and it said just use a few drops. I need a few drops per like area, quadrant of my face. But I really like this. It is a lighter coverage, so this isn't something if you need full coverage or even medium to full coverage that you'd probably want to use. Like my freckles still show and things like that, but I really like it. It's very lightweight, very pretty. So I have this guy, and then Jen actually sent me hers, and hers is also in beige. This must be like her super pale winter color. I'm her winter color. I'm actually way lighter than her winter color. But with this one, you can see that it's probably a little less than half is in there. So I wish this would get its act together. But yeah, so probably between the two of these, I have a whole foundation to use up. I really want to use up these two guys. I also have this Bare Minerals Pure Brightening Serum Foundation. Again, another serum-y, lightweight foundation. This is a lot more, you could see, like yellow toned than something like this. I can't really use this right now. It is a little bit too dark. It's in Bare Nude and it's still a little too dark. But in the summer, I was using this more, and kind of summer going into fall and then spring going into summer, I think I can use this, where it's like I'm in between shades. So I do like this. Again, Jen sent this to me. I don't even know how much is in here. I can't even hear it, but I just want to use it up. I don't even know how long she had it. It doesn't smell or anything like that. This top is like, it just keeps shimmying up. We're going to leave it here and let it do its thing. Now, the next thing I have is a concealer, and this is it's a color corrector from Bobbi Brown. It's in light to medium bisque. And I have a pan in this guy. I could say pretty good divot in there. And it's not my favorite as a corrector, especially. First of all, it's a little ashy, so as a concealer, it's not my favorite. It is thicker, which I do like that the consistency of it is thicker, but it's just a little ashy for concealer, and it's just not salmon-y, orangey enough as a color corrector for my under eyes. But it is something that I use. I do also apologize for the light. I know I have light coming in here, and it's a little darker here. I don't really have my lights on today. I have a ring light, and I was just like, oh, I just kind of want to film. So that is something I do want to finish up. The next thing is my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in 30 Warm Nude. That sponge, I'm just gonna have to throw that away. Literally, this is the product, and this is like the packaging. It's unbelievable. It's so unnecessary. But I really like this. I use this as a setting powder, not a foundation. I guess I could probably on like weekends when I'm not really doing anything, use this as a setting, as an actual foundation, because it would work pretty good, I think. Really nice. It's so silky. Really nice. Sorry guys, I just had a coughing fit. But yeah, really nice foundation setting powder there. So I am going to keep using it. I have used a bunch, even though you can't really tell if I'm looking at like the side of the pan, the vertical part that goes this way. I have used this a lot. I'd love to finish this up. This is something that I would repurchase. I'm trying to go in order of how I apply them, and I should have put these first, but this is the Stay Flawless 15-Hour Primer from Benefit. I feel like this was sent to me, or I don't know what. It's a stick primer. I do like the way it feels on my skin. I just don't like the application of this where it's really hard. Like I feel like you have to rub it all over your entire face. It's, you know, and it's really hard to blend into each other. And it is just like a nude color, very lightly used. I mean, I can't even like roll it up all the way. I've had this for a while, so basically I want to use up as much as I can and then just get rid of it. I wouldn't really want to pass this on to anyone else. I don't think it's like super fabulous. I do have a lot of primers I'm working on, so this isn't something, to be honest, that I really expect to finish this year, but it is something that I'm going to get rid of at the end of the year, and I just want to use up as much as possible. Cute packaging, but guess what? That doesn't mean anything. The next thing is my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. We got this in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. I actually really like this. I think it has a really nice mist. It's very like refreshing, and I'll put this on like right after my foundation or my powder. I'll wet my beauty blender with this. It's such a fine mist. It's great. Someone mentioned that it has sparkles. I don't really see any like glitter or sparkles, but I really like this. My friend Melissa actually said that in her YouTube video, I think, when she got it. But it is a lot. This has 4 ounces, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. But I'm going to keep using that. I'm finishing up my NYX matte setting spray right now, and then I'll just work on this for the year. Okay, let's just do eyes because these keep rolling all over. I have this duo eyeliner, and it's from Revlon. It's a Photo Ready Kajal, double-sided, in Emerald and Empire, and this is an emerald color, and then this is more of a beige color. I never use this one, to be honest, so let's just forget that. I just want to use this up and then throw it away. I've had this for so long. I don't even know if they sell these. I have this for so long, but because I can sharpen it and disinfect it, I keep it around, and it's such a pretty color. I have used this on my upper lash line. I like using it on my lower lash line, which it is right now, even though you probably can't tell, but I do really like it. And then I have my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. This was in my 12 pans of Christmas, and I did hit pan, and now it's, I mean, I have used like quite a bit, if you can tell there. It's starting to finally dry out. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you could put drops in it, you can do this. Once this dries out where I can't use it, I'm throwing it away. I mean, it's not that serious. I've had this for years. Then face products and lip products. I have 2 blushes. One's a cream blush. This is from Becca. It's the Becca Tint Shimmer Souffle in Watermelon. Comes in these cute little jars. I feel like this smells so good. I feel like this comes, this is a mini size, and it should be bigger. I got like a little kit, and you can see it's a really pretty, I don't know, mauve-y pink color with some gold threading in there, gold marbling, that's it. Really nice. I do just use this with the e.l.f. small stippling brush, which is right here. I am wearing this today, but I have another blush and I'm going to show you over it. So I just use that, swirl it in, and kind of buff it right in there. And again, even if I don't finish some of these products that I throw away, I don't consider it a waste because you can't keep these products forever. And as long as I'm using them and I, you know, use a good amount of it, then I feel good about it. The next one is this NYX blush, which I love. It is in Dusty Rose. I love it. It's just so normal, right? It's so basic, but I love it, guys. This is so silky. Can you even see? You're not going to be able to see. I know it. And I am wearing this over the Becca Cream Blush, but I love these NYX blushes. I would purchase this again. There's very few blushes, even though it's so hard to declutter them, I can't get rid of them. See what I'm talking about with this shirt? It's like, now I have like a weird neckline. If I did a declutter of my blushes right now, because I feel like I have 35 blushes, I would not be able to get rid of many or even any. I love blushes. But honestly, if I finish them all up, there's probably just a handful I would pick again. I don't know, if you guys want to see like me go through my blush collection and just show you what I would repurchase, let me know. It wouldn't be a declutter, but kind of like, hey, these are my blushes and these are the ones that I would repurchase. These are the ones I absolutely love. I mean, I guess that's an idea. I have never done a video like that, but this is Dusty Rose and I would love to finish this up. It is a smaller blush. I've used a good amount of it, but they just last so long. So I'm hopeful that I could finish that. And then the last face product is my Naked Urban Decay Flush Palette. This is the original. and I hit huge pan on the bronzer, but it's getting to the part where it's so hard to use the bronzer as a bronzer because it's right next to the highlight. And the blush is big enough that I could use the blush, and it's really pretty, but I was going to put the blush in. I would love to finish this blush. I just don't know if I could realistically finish 3 blushes in 1 year, but that's kind of like a bonus product. I would love to hit pan on that. And I do like this highlight, and the highlight is what, see, it's a really nice natural highlight. It's not glittery at all. It's just a really pretty sheen. I don't even know if you guys can see, but it's just hard to use the bronzer because the highlight's right next to it. So it picks it up and it makes my whole face sparkly, even though the highlight itself doesn't make my highlight sparkly. Now the next thing that I have are all lip products. And like I mentioned earlier, that's what I like to use up. So I am gonna have to put like new washi tape all over these guys so I can make sure I'm reaching for them. I have one lip liner. This is in Satin Mauve from Essence, and this is how much I have left. I love the Essence lip liners. This is one I wouldn't repurchase. It's really light on my skin tone and on the pigmented color of my lips. It's pretty light. So it's really nice if I'm just gonna do a lip balm over it or if I just want a little bit of definition. But this particular color, I wouldn't repurchase for what I like to wear, but I do like it and I would repurchase all the other ones that I have. So I just wanna finish that little guy up. And I have 2 lipsticks. This is the Urban Decay lipstick in Fiend, and I've used up a good amount. You could see in there. And let me just twist this up. And this is how much I have left. So I think I'm doing pretty good. I could definitely do that, I think. And I purposely picked neutral colors and colors that I could wear over different tones of nude or even like a pink lipstick or for one of the glosses. This is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in C211, and look, I mean, I've been using this a lot this past month because I really want to use it up. I bought Fiend, but this one I got from an influencer box. So I've been using this one up a lot, and I really actually like these lipsticks. I'm going to spend $20-something on a lipstick. I probably would repurchase this one over the Urban Decay. Or maybe even other brands. However, the Essence Black lipsticks are actually really nice, so I probably would do that. And then for the last 16, 17, and 18, I have 3 glosses. This is probably the most ambitious. This is in the color Malbec from the company Noya. We got this in a glossy box. I haven't gotten glossy box in like 3 years. We got this in a BoxyCharm, and you can see I have used some up. Like you can kind of see in here, I think like this much is used up, like a finger's worth. It was just on its side, so it was like laying funny. I really like this color. I don't think it's too bright, although some people do. I will put this over a pink or any kind of nude, just for like a little bit of a pink tinge. So I do like that, and I want to use that up. And then the 2 other glosses, this is Luxe and Lilac. It's a Maybelline Color Elixir. I love, love, love these glosses. I know not everybody does, but I do. And this beautiful color does not come out this color on your lips. And I've had this just way too long, to be honest, and I need to get rid of it. So, but it breaks my heart. It doesn't smell. I know it's expired because these probably last like 6 or 12 months, but really love these. Love that Luxe and Lilac. And then the last one is White Russian from Buxom, and I got like a little kit from the Buxom website with 15, and this was like a bonus item that you could pick to get sent out. So these are minis, and they're like half size or less than half size. And these are the ones that I love, love, love. So I'm also going to do a video showing you guys this because if I buy something, I need to get rid of something. Love that and want to use that up. So that is it. Those are my 18 products that I want to use up this year. Wish me luck. If you guys do videos like this or project pans or declutters, let me know. I love those kinds of videos and I'd love to check them out. I will see you in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and don't forget to check out Jenn's video also. Bye guys.